Nowadays, being a mechanic is no longer enough. To properly diagnose and repair modern vehicles, a technician is required, who keeps up to date with the cutting edge of automotive technology and tooling. For nearly 30 years, A1 Custom Car Care has been keeping all kinds of vehicles on the road.
When we started coming to A1 Custom Car Care, instantly I felt comfortable. I find them very dependable, honest, and fair, and that's why I like A1 Custom Car Care.
By staying at the forefront of training and knowledge, with as complicated as repairs have become, one thing stands out. Trust between a repair facility and a vehicle owner is key. When you bring your vehicle to A1 Custom, you can trust that we will obtain permission from you prior to beginning repairs, we will only fix what is needed on the vehicle, and we will help you prioritize future repairs before they become issues whenever possible.